We'll guide you through how to create a blog on Wix. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to wix.com and sign into your account, or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New Site button. You'll see a variety of options for different site types, but for a blog, click on Blog. Wix will then ask you if you want to use the Wix ADI, which is an artificial design intelligence to help you build your site, or if you want to use the Wix editor for more customization. For simplicity, we can start with the Wix ADI. Answer a few questions about the kind of blog you want to create, like what topics you'll cover and any features you might want, such as a contact form or social media links. Once you've answered these questions, Wix ADI will generate a template for you. You can preview this template and edit it as needed. Click Start Editing to personalize your blog. You can add, remove, or rearrange sections like the header, About section, or blog post area. Make sure your blog title is catchy and reflects your content. To add a new blog post, click on the Blog Manager on the left menu. Here, you can write and publish your posts. Don't forget to add tags and categories to help organize your content. When you're satisfied with your blog's design and content, click Publish in the top right corner to make your blog live on the web. Wix will provide a free Wix domain, but you can connect your custom domain if you have one. Remember to keep your blog updated with fresh content to engage your readers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.